Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Off the Board with Pineapple Papers, and this is going to be Moira's 1,000 subscriber party and giveaway, and this is the layout that I am going to use. Now, I got this collection from Hip Kit, and it is the Maze collection, if I remember correctly. It's all about that summer goodness. And so that's the collection. I'll get to the photo in just a little bit. Now, Moira's 1,000 Subbie party and giveaway, it's all in the Mercy Tiara's Facebook group. So I'm going to link that down below, along with me linking everybody that's on the YouTube and Instagram hop. And we are here to celebrate Moira's reaching 1,000 subscribers on her YouTube channel. Y'all make sure that you sit back, grab a snack or a beverage of your choice, and scrap along with us while you're watching, or just, watch all of the videos. Everybody will be linked down below. Moira is doing a giveaway, and all the details are going to be on her video, on like her take on her own hop. However, basically you're supposed to comment in the disgusting question she has, and then also there's going to be bonus entries as well into her giveaway. So go check out hers. Hers will be linked down below. Hers should be the very first one on this hop. And then way at the bottom, because this is an odd day for me, after Moira's sub party link, then you will see who is on the lineup for Off the Board. Since this is a Friday, sit back, relax, and just go to town on the list. I would love to have you. If you are new or coming from any of the hop or Crystal's link for Off the Board, I would love to have you. I do upload normally outside of July 2 to 3 times a week. I do 12 notebooks, 12 by 12 layouts like I am doing right here, along with tons of collaborations. You guys have all seen them. Things like that. And if you are new, I would love to have you part of my family. I do try to keep up with the comments, but with Off the Board, I always have to double check back. So if I don't get to you, I'm sorry. But I always check that. And my family, my little YouTube family is amazing here. So I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and that bell so that you can get notifications each and every time that I upload. Now, this photograph. I was digging around for something in my son's albums, and I thought that the blue album that these photographs were in were already scrapped and done. Was I wrong? So I happened to find photos that I didn't finish while we were in Munich and going to Eagle's Nest, where Hitler lived, and all of that stuff. The Neuschwanstein Castle, the one that is done and that looks like Cinderella's castle. Those pictures have been done for a good couple of years, but I missed a bunch, and this was one of them. Now, this was on a hill. It is a water trough. It literally is for, we would see people with their their horses and stuff going up and down these hills, and this water trough was literally made for them. And for me, it is so rustic and so like vintage looking for me. I had to stop and take a photograph, and I knew I was going to be scrapbooking it too. So I left this all on its own, and I felt like this collection from the Hip Kit is absolutely perfect for what I am achieving here. I love the vintage lemons that are on here, all of the goodness of the flowers and everything that I've done. It's just perfect. So what I decided to do was, off camera, you'll see that I come back and everything is done. For this, I took 2 of the arrows out of one of my close to my heart stamps. If it's still available, I'll link it down below with the item number, but it's called this right here, and it's a bunch of arrows, of different types of arrows. And I took 2 of them, put them on there, and used it as my border, because the layout that I am using has stitching, and I decided to save myself a little bit of time on the stitching and just do the like the stamping like I did here. So I took this strip of flowers, and you're going to see me use this banner along with all of these butterflies. This whole set of butterflies, used them all on here, and I absolutely love how it turns out. The sketch or the layout that I'm using is on Doodlebug's blog, and it's done by Kathy Kathy Scow. And she has a ton of hearts on the bottom of hers. So what I am doing is going to use these butterflies like she did the hearts. And then I do come in with other bunch of embellishments as well to make this work. So you'll see me play around with this, and then I take it all completely off so that I can put the banners more in the middle than like I off-center it here. I like it being off-center, but I'd rather have it a little bit more. I am scrapping with a friend by the name of Fran, so you will see me lift up my stuff every once in a while. And let me tell you, this is why I use dimensionals. I'm trying to use up some of my old adhesive before I buy more dimensionals, but this is why. This took me forever. I'm telling you, y'all, Stampin' Up! Dimensionals are by far like the best dimensionals I've ever have gotten. These were a pain in the butt. I'm not sure where I got them from. I took them out of the package because I've got all of my stuff set out and just kind of in little bins and stuff that I've gotten either at Michael's or Target when they have their cute little bins and stuff on sale. And I purchased them. So here's my question. I have not done an updated scrapbook room in over 2.5 years. No, I'm here. I did it right away in January when I did my when I started my YouTube channel 3 years ago. So I'm going on 3 years. I'm going on 4 years since I've done that video. So comment down below and let me know if I should do another YouTube scrappy channel, like what I should do. We got more information on how school is going to go for us. So here's my blog on school. We got told that we are able to go back into the school starting the 16th of July, or not the 16th, the 20th of July, which is on Monday. And we're able to go in, but it's a staggered start, just like we ended the year in May is a staggered ending. We're doing a staggered start too. And I'm going to go in because honestly, I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired of having my junk in my room. I need it into my classroom. Now, a lot of this stuff that I've been working on, because I have a schedule that I've been following this summer. I took the first couple of weeks off, and now I've been like hitting it hard. I've got a lot of things that if we do go remote learning, and I'll get to that. If we do go remote learning anytime this school year because of, COVID-19, a lot of my stuff can come home with me and I can still teach from it. The two options that my district is giving us is two ways, virtual or classroom setting, and we don't start until the 8th of September. So the whole month of August is going to be training. I'll talk more on it once I know more, but that's kind of the logistics of it. So I'll let you guys know more once I get going. But I am just finishing up with these enamel dots. I do round it with silver splatters. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you check out everybody hop that's down below. All their links are linked down below, along with Moira's channel as well. And I'm gonna leave you with this and the splatters, and I hope that you all are staying safe. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.